Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today I'd like to discuss something about career planning and mentoring for young adults, children. And this is mostly since we are talking about children here, so this is directed at their parents. So we all have made some silly career choices in the beginning, and when we started off our careers, there were times when we did not get the right career guidance, or there were not many opportunities available, or we just followed the path chosen by our parents. So what happens is when you just take up a job just for the sake of earning, there are times when you end up being dissatisfied, or making a lot of moves, jumping from here to there till you're not even happy. Sometimes you're stressed out, sometimes you get aggressive, and a lot of these things affect you personally as well as health wise, and so many things are there. We are dissatisfied, we are just jumping from one career to the other. So what is termed as like we are getting into the dance of life. However, if we had got the right career guidance when we were making career choices, then definitely we our career paths would have been better. So, if why is career mentoring important? Because there are times, there are talented children out there. However, their parents might not be that educated, or if they are educated, they are not. They they know mostly things about their own career. They do not know about the vast career options open out there. Nobody has done an in-depth knowledge. There is an organization called Daya Mentors who has done a in-depth research on job opportunities available, and so we are not restricted to just mainstream science, commerce and arts, and a few careers like engineers, doctors, bankers, accountants. These are usually the type of careers we know, except for few people who take up arts or creative opportunities also. So if a child makes the right career decision, or somebody helps him take the right career decision, who can help? Only an organization or a mentor who knows about the industry, who knows about the various options available out there, who has himself herself been there in the industry and had the experience of working, and understands what it means to make what choice. Such a career mentor, if your child has right at the beginning, I can say after 8th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard, whatever, then definitely that will help the child to make nice career options, and not be jumping here and there, and being clueless about what to go, where to go. If, according to me, if a person makes the right career decisions right at the beginning, if a child has the right tools and the right guidance and the right mentor to help him or her choose the right career decisions, then I feel that not only will the child be happy in the career or path that he or she chooses, but they can even plan their future. So by 40 they can work for a few years, like till the age of 40, or and then save some money and even start something of their own and follow their passions while they are till that age. However, what happens is, like, when you don't make the right career choices, you just take up a job just to earn money. What happens is, like, 5 to 10 years of your initial career time goes in figuring out things and settling down, and after 10 years then you learn to accept then you are in that stage के ठीक है चल रहा है पैसा आ रहा है, and that way, but that inner satisfaction you get by following your own passion is not there. So it's important that you have your child's career planned, and how you can do it. Today I'm going to talk about two career mentoring programs by Dheya, and we'll discuss about those two programs, the highlights. I'll explain in short the highlights of each program. The first one is Dheya Compass. The first program is called Dheya Compass, and this is the basic career planning. So what are the highlights of this program? The highlights of this program is, first, so you have orientation, and then you have a personalized session with senior professionals in the industry. So whenever you take a career program from there, you will have a senior mentor with several years in their own career in the industry who will mentor your child. So this is for all the programs. So first there will be a psychometric test which will evaluate your child and understand her strengths. Then you'll have a personalized session with a professional mentor, senior mentor who has been in the industry, and then your career path is created after studying your own strengths and passion also, and your hobbies. Then your destination, by sitting with the parent and the child, a career path is decided, and options are also, alternate options are also given. So what are the extra benefits you get from this is like you get 3 free career development meets, invitations to some activities and forums which are good for the child, quizzes and a lot of things. Then you get 20% discount on future career development programs, and the parenting community is also there to like discuss various things, and of course their mentors are there for you. So, and then this is the one I spoke about Dheya Compass. There is another career guidance program. We don't call it career guidance, they prefer to call it career mentoring. So the other program is Dheya Navigator. Now this is a premium career planning and life mentoring. So you're getting premium services here and lifelong support from your mentor, sort of. So of course what you will get in this. So accordingly the charges, it is priced accordingly, and that is the highlights are aspiration building, career goal setting, then career development for 1 year, hand holding. Then every quarter you will have a session with the child, the mentor will have a session with the child, that is for 3 years, and lifelong support from the mentor. And what are the extra benefits you get from this is like personal mentor support you're getting anyway, and you'll get entrepreneurial projects, parenting club is there, 50% discount, and on other career development programs, and 10 career development leads in 3 years, and a lot of other benefits you have. But the major benefit is that you are getting guided by senior mentor as well as the expertise of Dheya and their research in the career industry. Dheya has a number of senior professionals as mentors, including me. So if you want more details, you can comment, DM. On ImageFox page also is there. You can go to that page and leave a comment or call on number 9702 159 276. Wishing all of your children great success ahead, and please plan your child's career and get in touch. Thank you very much.